Hi students, now PU already over integrals. Now today we will start integral JE. Already we learned some basic formulas in PU. For competitive we learn few more formulas. The first one, some standard trigonometric substitutions based on the expression. For example, here the expression is there a square minus x square. When this expression is there, we need to substitute x value either a sin theta or a cos theta to make this one is perfect squares. Next, x square minus a square. In this type of questions given, we need to substitute x is a secant theta or a cosecant theta, because secant square minus 1 will get, that is tan square you can write. Next, a square plus x square. In this type of questions given, we need to substitute x is a tan theta or a cot theta. Next, under root of a minus x by a plus x or under root of a plus x by a minus x. This type of expression is given. X is clearly a cos 2 theta. Next, under root of x minus alpha by beta minus x or under root of x minus alpha into x minus beta. When this type of expression is given, x is equal to, we need to substitute alpha cos square theta plus beta sin square theta. These are the related substitutions for the given expressions. Next, we learn already integral sin, cos, that all we know. Integral of tan x dx. We have two formulas. First one already we know, log mod secant x plus c. Secant we can write 1 by cos. 1 by cos means cos power minus 1. That you can write minus log mod of cos x plus c. Integral of cot x is have only one formula, or you can write log mod sin, or also we can write minus log mod cosecant x plus c. Next, integral of secant x dx. We learn basic formula is log mod secant x plus tan x plus c. We are using in PU, but in competitive they can give this form also. By converting secant and tan in terms of sin and cos, by applying formulas we will get simplified value is log mod of tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. Next, integral of cosecant x dx. Basic formula is log mod of cosecant x minus cot x plus c, or if you convert again same, cosecant 1 by sin, cot is cos by sin. By applying trigonometric formulas, this will be changed to log mod of tan x by 2 plus c. These are standard notations. Next, integration of some standard forms. When the type of forms is given, how to solve the questions. In this first one, the given expressions like this. integral of dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x, or integral of dx by a square plus b square sin square x, or integral of dx by a square plus b square cos square x, or integral of dx by a plus b sin x plus c cos x whole square. Notations like this, or integral of a plus b sin square x plus cos square x. For this type of all questions, to simplify this, to find integral, divide numerator and denominator with cos square x. When you divide and in denominator secant square x, write 1 plus tan square x, then substitute the tan x equal to t. After dividing, for example, here only dividing numerator and denominator with cos square, 1 by cos square secant square in numerator. Denominator, sometimes you will get secant square x also in denominator. Here okay, a square, cos square by cos square cancel, b square sin square by cos square is tan square. What I am telling, the expression denominator we are converting completely in terms of tan. Numerator allow you to get terms of secant square. By substituting tan x equal to t, normal derivation secant square x dx equal to dt, we will get any one of this standard formula. Okay na? In this method we need to follow like this. Second one, integral of dx by a plus b sin x, integral of dx by a plus b cos x, integral of dx by a sin x plus b cos x plus c. When this type of expression is given, write sin x in terms of tan, 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Similarly, cos x write in the form of 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2, and then put tan x by 2 equal to t. Converting both sin and cos in terms of tan x by 2. By substituting in this, we will get simplified value. Later, we will substitute tan x by 2 is t. Further simplification, you will get any one of the standard form. Next, third form. The integral term is given like this, integral of p cos x plus q sin x by a cos x plus b sin x dx. When this type of expression is given, we need to write a numerator. What is the numerator? P cos x plus q sin x equal to a into denominator. What is the denominator? A cos x plus b sin x plus capital B into d by dx of denominator, derivative, a cos x plus b sin x. Now to find this capital A and B are unknown values. Now this is if you consider as equation number 1. To find A and B, comparing coefficients of sin x and cos x. By comparing coefficients of sin x and cos x, on both sides. You'll get a and b. After getting a and b, now you will divide with the denominator both sides and you will integrate. Then divide with the denominator what? A cos x plus b sin x on both sides and integrate. After integrating, dividing and integrating, that's why what will you get expression? P cos x plus q sin x by a cos x plus b sin x dx equal to, when you divide here denominator what? A is a constant common, only you will get integral of 1 dx plus b into what? D by dx of a cos x plus b sin x by the denominator a cos x plus b sin x dx. Here integral of dx is 1 dx is x. This is integral f dash of x by f of x, log mod f of x concept. Easily we can do this type of concepts. For example, if they given one more constant here constant, only constant, then how to do this one? Same concept, p cos x plus q sin x plus r by a cos x plus b sin x plus c dx. When this type of expression is given, the same expression we are taking like this, p cos x plus q sin x plus r equal to a into denominator. Same denominator is what? A cos x plus b sin x plus c plus b into same d by dx of denominator a cos x plus b sin x plus c plus capital C extra, that will get one more constant for that. Now remaining, how to find the same notation? How to find A, B, C comparing coefficients of sin x, cos x and constant terms, because to find C. Constant terms. These methods, remember, is useful while doing problems. After getting the A and B, C values, same, divide with the denominator what? A cos x plus b sin x plus c on both sides and integrate. Dividing both sides with denominator, then what will get? P cos x plus q sin x plus r by a cos x plus b sin x plus c dx equal to, dividing both sides with denominator, then a is cancel, only 1 dx, b into d by dx of a cos x plus b sin x plus c by denominator a cos x plus c. C is a constant common by 1 by the denominator. What is denominator? A cos x plus b sin x plus c dx. This is already we given one form. Second form, put tan x by 2, converting into sin and cos in terms of tan x by 2. Then substitute tan x by t equal to t concept. It's clearly integral of 1 dx is x, integral f dash of x by f of x is a log mod f of x. Okay, na? This is the two forms, other two different forms. These are not there in PU also. Okay. Next, already we learned type 3 in two forms. Type 1, type 2 are with root and without root. Another form here what? The integral expression is given like this, linear expression px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c dx. Another one, px plus q by under root of bx plus c dx. For these two forms, the method is same only. How to write the numerator? Px plus q is equal to a into d by dx of that only expression plus c plus b. To find a and b, we will compare the coefficient of x and constant terms. To find capital A and B, comparing coefficients of x and constant terms. Then divide with the denominator and integrate on both sides. On both sides. For this denominator is what? Ax square plus bx plus c, here with root is there. Dividing, you will get is one of the standard form you will get. Now after dividing, you will get first form here like this, you will get what? Here for first equation. I'll directly ax square plus bx plus c dx a into d by dx of bx plus c by bx plus c into dx plus b is a constant, integral of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. This is a type 1 again. It is a form of integral f dash of x by f of x, log mod f of x formula. Type 1 how to do? Converting into perfect squares. Okay. Second form in that, same dividing with root of bx plus c dx. Already type 1 questions we discussed. Okay, no need to write again. A d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c by, this becomes under root of ax square plus bx plus c dx by under root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. This is also making it to perfect squares. Let any one of the standard formula. This is type 2 and this is type 1. Okay, na? These are the forms you have to follow in this fifth one. Next, sixth one. Sixth one, and the expression is given like this: px plus q into under root of ax square plus bx plus c. This is also same thing, but we are changing the method like this. Same, the numerator equal to a into d by dx of that expression ax square plus bx plus b plus c, last plus b. We'll take this is equation number 1. Same, to find a and b, comparing coefficients of, here we are dividing with the denominator, but we are multiplying with this value, comparing coefficients of x and constant terms. Now then to get that expression, we need to multiply both sides with the roots of ax square, then multiply on both sides with under root of c and integrating. Integrate on both sides. By integrating means what you will get here? Integral of px plus q into under root of ax square plus bx plus c dx, a into integral d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c into root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. B is a constant common. Integral root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. This type of root of quadratic equation, that concept is deleted for the next coming academic year. These formulas, 3 formulas are there that you will give now. This is get in terms of either root of x square plus a square or x square minus a square or root of a square minus x square. For that also have 3 formulas. This is also another type of concept, how you are taking for type 1 and type 2, like that. Now further if you integrate, you will get this is f dash of x into f formula. F dash of x into f of x whole power n dx. This is converted into this form. How this formula? F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. For this I will give formulas: integral root of ax square plus bx plus c, quadratic equation, but this is converting in the form of like this. Before you know already, one is f dash of x by f of x, one is f dash of x by root f of x. Here you will get in this form. Integral f dash of x into f of x whole power n dx is f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, na? This is another form. Now what are 3 formulas we have? 7th one, the form is like a root of quadratic. Integral root of quadratic. Quadratic like ax square plus bx plus c. In this first one, root of x square minus a square. Whatever is there, ax square plus bx plus c, we are converting in the form of perfect squares. For example, if you got in this form, then formula is x by 2 into root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 into log mod of x plus under root of x square minus a square plus c. Next, integral root of x square plus a square dx equal to, wherever negative is there, add plus all negative symbols, x by 2 into root of x square plus a square by 2 into log mod of x plus under root of x square plus a square plus c. And the third form, a square minus x square. Only these 3 only possible. Integral. Only this quadratic equation can be changed only in these 2-3 forms. Okay, na? 1, 2, 3. X by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus c. Now these formulas we are using to find this type of expressions in the second value. First value already changed into this form. We are using these 3 formulas, also important. Actually it is in PU, but for this academic year they has deleted this portion. That's why, otherwise this is important for 5 marks also for proof. Okay. Next, so 8th one. In this 8th one, integral e power ax into sine bx dx. How to find this type of questions? Integral e power x by a square plus b square, b sine bx, sorry, a sine bx minus b cos bx plus c. Similarly, integral e power ax into cos bx dx, e power ax by a square plus b square into b sin bx plus a cos bx. Here a minus b will get, here b plus a will get. Okay. Next, another integral form, 1 by the linear expression px plus q into under root of quadratic expression. This type of questions we need to substitute, put px plus q is equal to 1 by t. When substituting 1 by t, differentiate this, what you will get? Differentiate with respect to x, px derivative p, q derivative 0, p dx equal to minus 1 by t square into dt, because derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, okay? So p send that side, we will write px dx equal to minus 1 by pt square into dt. So all values will substitute in this. From that, you will get any one of the standard form. Substitute all in the integral and simplify. Further, we will get any one of the standard formula. We can apply the formula. When the integral term, what is given? Integral of 1 by linear expression into root of quadratic expression. In that case, linear expression taking is reverse of t, okay? And some more, already have this formula, integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. I am not discussing already PU formulas, partial fractions. Already we just now finished, recently finished. You can remember those formulas, and standard formulas also I am not writing again. Next, is a new one we are learning, that is a reduction formula. What is the meaning of reduction formula here? If you want to find integral of, for example, sin power 10, cos power 10, tan power 10, we can't apply general methods. General formulas also is very difficult to apply. So in that case, we are using this concept, reduction formula. First one, integral sin power nx dx equal to minus sin power n minus 1x into cos x by n plus n minus 1 by n into integral of sin power n minus 2x dx. In is like sin power n means in minus 2 will get integral sin n minus 2x dx. Further applying means will get like the same formula. Second one, integral of cos power nx dx, cos power n minus 1x into sin x by n plus n minus 1 by n into integral cos power n minus 2x dx. Third one, integral of tan power nx dx equal to tan power n minus 1x by n minus 1 minus integral of tan power n minus 2x dx. This also we can write like sometimes condition they'll give. This is like in. In means the integral n power is there, tan power n is equal to where f of x is what here, tan x, like that. Tan power n minus 1x by n minus 1. This also we can write like this. How to write means total I values. Tan power n minus 1x by n minus 1 minus I n minus 2, this one, where f of x is tan power nx. Next, fourth one, integral cot power nx dx minus cot power n minus 1x by n minus 1 minus integral of cot power n minus 2x dx. Fifth one, integral secant power nx dx equal to secant power n minus 2x into tan x by n minus 1 plus n minus 2 by n minus 1 into secant power n minus 2x dx. Sixth one, integral cosecant power nx dx equal to minus cosecant power n minus 2 only, yes, n minus 2 only, cosecant power n minus 2x into cot x by n minus 1 plus n minus 2 by n minus 1 into integral of cosecant power n minus 2x dx. We have one more formula that also will complete. When the product of sine and cos is given with some highest powers is given, integral sine power mx into cos power nx dx. In this formula is minus sine power m minus 1x into cos power n plus 1x by m plus n plus m minus 1 by m plus n into integral of sine power m minus 2x dx into cos power nx dx overall. Sine power m minus 2x into cos power n dx. This is the value we are taking. This also we can take like this, I m comma n equal to minus sine power m minus 1x cos power n plus 1x by m plus n m minus 1 by m plus n into I m minus 2 comma n, because m is a power for sine, n is a power for cos. You can write like this also, I m comma n equal to minus sine power m minus 1x into cos power n plus 1 x by m plus n plus m minus 1 by m plus n into I m minus 2 comma n. I means integral term we need to consider. These are the 7 reduction formulas we need to remember in indefinite. Again definite you will get some more formulas, okay na? But they given here in this material separate indefinite and definite. Definite we will discuss later. We will get some more formulas for reduction formula. Okay, now we will start problems. So page number 24.19, exercise questions. First one, integral e power 3 log x into x power 4 plus 1 whole power minus 1 dx. Okay, first send this 3 power of log e power log x cube, this I can write by x power 4 plus 1 into dx. Now e and log will be cancelled, you get only x cube by x power 4 plus 1 dx. Now derivative of denominator, what will get? 4x cube. 4 is not there, that's why I am dividing and multiply with 4. Now it is in which formula? Integral f dash of x by f of x. Log mod f of x formula, that's why 1 by 4 log mod of x power 4 plus 1 plus c, that is option B is the correct one. Question number 2, integral cos 2x minus cos 2 theta by cos x minus cos theta dx. We have formula for cos 2x in terms of only cos. This formula we are applying for these two conditions. Denominator we are not changing. Cos 2x again 2 cos square x minus 1, 2 cos square theta minus 1 by cos x minus cos theta dx. Cos theta is like a constant only. Now this is 1 minus 1 minus or minus plus 1, both will be cancelled. I can take 2 common from this. 2 into integral cos square x minus cos square theta by cos x minus cos theta dx. Numerator in the form of a square minus b square, we can write a plus b into a minus b by cos x minus cos theta dx. So both gets cancelled. Now we will integrate with this value 2 into integral of cos x dx. Cos theta is a constant, take common, integral of 1 dx. Integral of cos x is sin x. Cos theta into integral of 1 dx is x plus c. Exact these terms in then which option? Option A, 2 of sin x plus x cos theta into x or cos theta into x, no problem. That is option A is the correct one. Next, coming to third one. Integral x cube by x plus 1 dx. Okay, this is a rational function, correct? But it is an improper. Reason what here? The degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. That's why we need to apply long division method, dividing this numerator with denominator. How much we have to multiply? We will get x cube, x square, x cube plus x square, subtract minus x square. To get minus x square, we need to multiply with minus x only. Minus x into x, x square, minus 1 into x, minus x. Subtract minus of minus plus, plus 1. What remaining? X. Still we need to apply. Reason, we got here value what? X. Here x. Degree same, that's why I have to take one more time. Plus 1. Minus 1. Now, this we have to write x cube by x plus 1 dx equal to, this is quotient and this is remainder. Quotient what? X square minus x plus 1 plus denominator. What is the remainder? Remainder what here? Minus 1. Plus into minus is minus 1 by denominator. What is denominator? X plus 1. For improper is given means I have to apply long division method. After that, we need to write this one is a quotient plus remainder by denominator. If you simplify, you will get again same term. We can integrate now easily. Integral of x square, x cube by 3, integral of x, x square by 2, integral of 1 dx x. This integral of 1 by x form only na. Integral of 1 by x is log mod x, that is log mod of x plus 1 plus c. Which option is suitable? Option D, x minus x square by 2, correct, plus x cube by 3, correct, minus log mod. Log means ln also we can write. That's why option D is the correct one. Next, fourth question. Integral sin 2x by, sin 2x into d of tan x. Now in the place of dx they given d tan x. Sin 2x I can write 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Here very simple, tan x is like a x only, 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. For easy purpose, I will consider like this. The notation, some u. Complete function, we no need to differentiate also. Just a replacing symbol. What? 2u by 1 plus u square into du. Because in the place of dx only d tan x is there. No need to substitute f dash of x by f of x formula. Denominator derivative present in numerator. That's why log mod of 1 plus u square plus c. What is the u value? So tan square x plus c. Log mod of 1 plus tan square is secant square x. Log a to the power of b, that b will come friend, you can write 2 log mod secant, or without mod also they can take. So 2 log mod of secant x plus c is present in which option? Option C is the correct one. Yeah, take tan x only here. Tan x is u, just symbol replacing ma, that's all. Next, fifth one, integral cosecant power 4x dx. You can use formula, reduction formula. You can do up to 4, you can do general method also, you can get answer. Otherwise, use this formula, cosecant power nx dx equal to minus cosecant power n minus 2x into cot x by n minus 1 plus n minus 2 by n minus 1 to integral cosecant power n minus 2x dx. Where n value how much here? Clearly 4. Cosecant power 4x dx equal to minus cosecant power 4 minus 2, that is 2, cosecant square x into cot x by 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 2, that is 2 by 3. Cosecant square x dx minus cosecant square x into cot x by 3 plus 2 by the integral of cosecant square is what? Minus cot x plus c. Now, but the options given in terms of completely in terms of cot. You want completely in terms of cot means it's very simple. Cosecant square convert in terms of cot. We have formula cosecant square, you can write 1 plus cot square x by 3 minus 2 cot x by 3 plus c. Multiply with cot minus cot x minus cot cube x by 3 minus 2 by 3 cot x plus c. Still they simplified. Now take LCM. By taking LCM, what you will get generally? Minus cot x minus 2 cot x, that is minus 3 cot x minus cot cube x whole by 3 plus c. Still they are divided separately, that's why divided the denominator. 3 cancel, minus cot x minus cot cube x by 3 plus c. So minus cot x minus cot cube x by 3 plus c is the answer. That is option C is the correct one. So next, question number 6. Integral 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube and so on dx. This is the value of exactly is a series is given. This is the expansion of 1 minus x whole power minus 2. This value expansion only this one, 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube and so on. This clearly in which form? X power n form is there. So x power n plus 1, that is minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 by minus 1. But the inner function derivative is what? Minus 1, that also write in denominator plus c. So minus into minus plus 1 minus x whole power minus 1 plus c. This we can write plus c. Now as for that option B, this is only given. Option B is the correct one. Next, question number 7. Integral 1 by root of 1 plus sin x. Now this one we need to find. First, make this one into perfect square. In the place of 1, I can take sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. Sin x I can write 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 dx. It's clearly in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. It's clearly a plus b whole square 1 by under root of sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square dx. Square root is cancelled. What remaining? 1 by sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 dx. But all options given in terms of tan only, every value. This one try to make into sin of a plus b formula. For that, in denominator I will multiply with root 2 and divide with root 2 plus cos x by 2 into 1 by root 2. Sin of a plus b formula is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So 1 by root 2 take common. Integral 1 by sin x by 2 into cos pi by 4 plus cos x by 2 into sin pi by 4. Now the denominator changes to 1 by sin of pi by 4 dx. Now 1 by root 2 integral 1 by cos 1 by sin is cosecant pi by 4 plus x by 2 dx. But cosecant general formula is log mod cosecant minus cot, but all options given in terms of tan. That's why we have formula integral cosecant x. I given second formula log mod of tan x by 2 plus c. So 1 by root 2 log mod of tan x by 2 means this complete x by 2 means pi by 4 by 2, that is pi by 8. X by 2 by 2 is x by 4 plus c, that is option C is the correct one. Next, question number 8. Integral 1 plus 2 tan x into tan x plus secant x whole square dx. So whole power 1 by 2 not d square ma whole power 1 by 2. In this integral, in the place of 1 I can take identity secant square x minus tan square x, multiply 2 tan x inside, 2 tan into tan square x plus 2 tan x into secant x whole power 1 by 2 dx. Secant square x minus tan square plus 2 tan square, that is tan square plus 2 tan x into secant x whole power 1 by 2 dx. A square plus b square plus 2ab, that is a plus b whole square. That's why integral secant x plus tan x whole square whole power 1 by 2. Now 2 gets cancelled. Now what left remaining? Integral secant x into tan x. Now integral of secant x formula directly we don't know, that's why you are writing like this, log mod of secant x plus tan x. Integral of tan x is log mod secant x plus c. Again which form? Log a plus log b. Log of a into b, that is secant x into secant x plus tan x. Without mod also I can take, that is log mod of secant into secant plus tan, that is option C is the correct one. Here one small correction, actually inner function derivative will get pi by 4 by 2, that is x by 2 correct. Again this inner function derivative by 1 by 2 will get By 1 by 2 means it is comes to numerator. By 1 by 2 means reverse will get ma, that's 2 by root 2, that is root 2 will get actually, okay. Root 2 is 1 by 2 is there, and this 1 by 2 reverse will get log mod of tan pi by 8 plus x by 4. Now it is option C only, correct, but it's by 1 by 2, root 2 is there actually, that's why option C having root 2 into, that's why this 1 by 2, 2 will comes to numerator, 2 by root 2 means root 2 will get root 2 into log mod of tan pi by 8 plus x by 4 plus C is the required value. Next, ninth one. Ninth question, the primitive of the function I am taking like this, f of x equal to x into mod of cos x, where x is lying between pi by 2 less than x less than pi. Primitive means is taking antiderivative condition, antiderivative value. Directly also we can do. Now, pi by 2 less than x less than pi means which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant cos x becomes negative, so it is total modulus. And f of x is equal to minus x cos x. So we need to integrate this. Integral of this f of x dx. Integral of minus x into cos x dx. Without c we are taking that is a primitive value. U formula, product of two values is that, so u is equal to minus x, v dash equal to cos x. According to Euler rule, algebraic is first period, then trigonometric function. U dash is minus 1, v means integral of v dash cos x dx, that is sin x. Integral u v dash formula, uv minus integral u dash, that is minus 1 into sin x dx, minus x sin x, minus or minus plus sin x dx, minus x sin x, integral of sin x is minus cos x plus c. So this is a, without c you take it, that's all. Minus x sin x minus cos x, that is option B is the correct one. So 10th question, integral secant x by under root of cos 2x dx. Now secant x by cos 2x, right, convert into tan, 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square into dx. Secant x by under root of 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square formula is secant square x into dx. Integral of secant x by root of 1 minus tan square x. So root of secant square means secant x. Now this secant x will comes to where? Numerator. So integral of secant square x by under root of 1 minus tan square x dx. Now which function derivative present in this numerator? Tan x derivative. That's why we are applying substitution method. Put tan x equal to t. Differentiate. Tan x derivative secant square x dx equal to dt. Already secant square x dx is there, that's why integral 1 by root of 1 minus tan x means t, that is t square dt. This is clearly in the form of integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square, that is sine inverse x. X means what here? T plus c. Sine inverse of t means what? Tan x. Plus c is the answer, that is option A. Now practice all formulas what we given today, and remaining questions will start in next session.